day. Children laughing, hearts to play. A father smiled, a moment pure joy you think will always stay. Hands in hands, a light so bright. Love was loud, the world felt like no one saw the shadow come in the middle of the light. One breath stopped, one heartbeat filled. Time stood still, they started to yell. From laughter in the silence, which roused a fear. A happy moment shattered in less than 1 year. Always calling his name, children begging him stay. As his eyes were slowly closing, life was slipping away. Hands were shaking, voices broke. Fear was louder than the hope. They held him close, they shook in his arms, praying he would wake up soon. And a sound cut through the crying, voice controlling clear. A hero in no time for fear. The answer was right here. Turn it on, just listen close. Follow every word it says. The pilot packs they grin out, Shaggy passed away. Which heart was fast, he doing, this heart won't need it fake. CPR, stay within, don't let this be the end. Come back to us, come back home. Be a dead again. A breath returned to movement seen. A miracle between. Tears fall down, but now they shine. Because life just stepped back in. The hero wasn't superhuman, just brave enough to try. Meditech AEDs for life, and answered every cry. The smiles return, the fear was gone. Loved one once again, you opened your eyes. We held you tight. We got our world back then. Every second tells a story, every heart deserves a chance. Meditech AED. Give up one more dance. Last night. Love you, Dad. Welcome back.